you 5 major things that you should, if you want to making money online passive, and you want it to be perfect, you want it to be consistent, eat healthy, make sure that not just eating good. Avoid drama, distraction online, sleep well, motivate yourself. Let me tell you something. If your life is not disciplined, your money online will never be consistent. Making money online is not just a luck. It's a habit. It's a structure. And most people fail not because they lack opportunities, but because they lack discipline. You guys, welcome to my breakfast. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 major things that you should avoid or you should do. No, 5 major things that you should do if you want to making money online passive, and you want it to be perfect, you want it to be consistent, you want to make sure that every damn month you are having money, you're withdrawing money if you want to do that. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is Immaculate, your lady on Immaculate Show. We are bringing for you tips. This is a disclaimer. We bring for you tips to show you that there is a way you can make money without any investment. There's the way you can make money with this smartphone that you hold every day, you scroll every day. So take this one as an educational video. Take it as a video that is giving you 5 to 10% of the tips. We're not saying that the moment you follow us, you're going to be a millionaire, you're going to drive the car of your dreams. No, we are saying these are tips that we have used. It's educational. So you use them, you don't use them, it's up to you. But for us, we give you something that has made 2% of the creators or of the people with smartphone just feel good. Here we are talking about making money online with your smartphone. It's a broad term, but here we break it down. So before we dive into these 5 major things that you should look up to, let me first appreciate all our engagers, especially on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on everywhere on our social media platforms. On all we have more than 5 platforms. Almost, they are like 7. Thank you very much. But this is a teaching channel. That's why we bring for you every day and we announce it and we market it. We want us all to share. There is no competition on social media. It's you who is bringing competition because you have not yet known the code of making money on this. So that will be for another day. Let's dive in and talk about exactly the things that have helped me to move forward, the things that I'm using myself as a case study and can help you also to make sure that every month you make money out of social media. 1, it is take care of your body and mind. Call for me, Lucy from Uganda. This tea is milk tea, a little bit little. Then we have some cardamom. Then I have bay leaf. This tea there is cloves. Let me show you. Cardamom, there is a bay leaf, there is milk, there is cinnamon powder, stroke stick, and the food. This is a potato, and this potato, this is Irish potato. It is boiled like the way you see. It is fresh. I learned to boil it with the covers because it moves with nutrients. Then this is boiled egg. This is salad, cucumber. There's cucumber, there's onion, and anyway, there is no tomato in here. But what the spices are very rich. You can see the spices there. I'll not explain them more. Yes, that is it. Yes, your health, as you've seen, eating good is different from eating healthy. And if you want to earn money on social media, you need your body to be very calm. You don't need mental drainage. You don't need to find you're distracted. You know, your energy is your currency in making money here right now. Trust me, I've been in this field. The moment you're drained, you'll not do something that is yours. You'll not be active. You'll feel always tired. But the moment you take care of your body, it is going to pay you. You won't build anything that won't pay you. But the moment you find you're drained, the moment you find you're not eating well, you not do something that is cool. So, and if we're talking about eating well, is different from eating healthy or good. Eating healthy is not going to you go and eat McDonald's, eat all those KFC and what. No, it's not like that. I want you to research about that. Then the second one is avoid drama and distraction online. Social media can either pay you or waste you. Trust me, if you're there, you follow gossips, you follow arguments, unnecessary noise, the phone will distract you instead of paying you. If you stay focused, you'll be paid. There are platforms that most people have tended to make that it's like for gossip, it's for fighting. You find people argument, unnecessary noise. And the moment you overstay in those places, you'll be distracted. There are some platforms that are they can take, they're addictive. So you will waste time. That is one. Two, you will develop a lot of enemies, because enemies that even don't know you, because you are always in unnecessary arguments. So those enemies or those funny things will make, the moment they tend to talk about you, the moment they tend to harass you, the moment they tend to push you on the wall, trust me, you'll not wake up and do something that is okay. You'll not wake up fresh like the way I am. I told you I'm giving you the things that I've tested, I've surveyed, I've been in, so I know what it means. You can't be on live, like for example on TikTok, with people who are arguing the whole night, they're abusing you, they are doing this, and you'll not fail to be insulted the moment you're into that. So avoid that if you want to make money. Then you should just build a system, not a hustle. Most people are building hustles. Hustles is something you say, they've given you a gig of a stick of 50,000. They've given you a gig of this, you go there. That one, you'll eat it there and then. It's like the salary we are running away from. But the moment you build a system, what is a system? A system comes from different ways. A system comes from digital products. Do you have an ebook from the time you've been doing? Do you have a template? Do you have something you've done from a digital product? Trust me, you guys, every person on this internet has someone that is look. There are some people who say, I love to be like Immaculate. I love to be like James. I love to be like Winnie. I want to be like Brenda. And there are some people who will not like you. Yes, but if you want to build a system, you have to make sure, if you want to have passive income, you build a system. You don't just build a hustle. So imagine there are people who are looking up to you. If you put a book, they will buy it. Trust me. You don't need massive, I love you. No, people who do act. So you can build a system from YouTube videos. You can build a system from digital products, as I told you, affiliate links, automated content. Don't just work for money. But this era right now, you are working for money, but something that works for you even you're sleeping. If you don't advertise someone's product, do you think you'll be paid? If you still on that, for years you're still advertising for someone's product to be paid, think of it. Then sleep well and reset yourself. I've seen this, you guys. Don't overwork. Even if you work, rest is not laziness, by the way. It's a strategy. I've seen it in my mind. I've seen it in my body. When your mind is fresh, your ideas are very sharp. Your content will be better. Your decisions will be pronounced. And even you'll make sound decisions. And you'll make money in the long run, which is more. Then motivate yourself. Most of us, we are waiting to come and be pushed, come and be motivated. You need self-drive. Watch content that grows you. I always sit and say, what did I do here? What did I do here? Or did this one work? Why did I start like this? So you need to do that. Passive income online is real, but it is not magic. You have to work for it. You have to start small, you have to be consistent, and you will have to wake up. The moment you know that and do all these 5 things, you will know